It's really crucial. It's actually like I feel myself like not a filmmaker, but a delegation of diplomats in a way. We are all, because here's the teachers and our protagonists are here, and this is real people from Ukraine that are working there, staying there, and struggling to be not insane actually in the moment. And this is already for 3 years. We need to kind of do something about it. And I think this is the opportunity for people to see real people that are there and real experiences, because it's without any comment. It's just children and teachers that are struggling to work even in these circumstances. So I believe that someone would see this film and maybe make a lot of good decisions about what to do.
Зробили 5 вдихів і 5 видихів. Виконуємо.
До нас. Старий наш клас.
Because it consists this element of hope, because it's about this young generation that stays and it thrives. So we need to support it and respect it, and and they're beautiful. They are really grown up as well. They're children, but they're grown up children, and this is the most sad thing, because they didn't have such a childhood like we all had, and this is fascinating for me.
Додати 2аб і додати б квадрат. Пам'ятаєте такі формули?
Але можна жити далі. В більшості станів, в більшості ситуацій завжди можна жити далі, а потім розібратися.
Yeah, I'm really positive, kind of, but it's a lot of different negative things as well. I mean, like elsewhere, but we try to be focused on something that is really needs to be brought up. Yes.